We've been on this cancer journey together for 22 years, I guess.
More than that, 24.
24 years. And that's coming from the caregiver who worries so much. So we've had 3 bouts of cancer that we've had to go through. The first one was in 1997, and it was Hodgkin's, stage 2. The second one was in 2017, and that was breast cancer, triple negative, for those of you who are versed in that. And then the third one was in 2019, which was esophageal cancer. So 3 different treatments. I've had 2 different doctors, and a lot of worry from family and friends, and getting through this, what we call the cancer journey, I guess.
It's crazy how it, having 3 times, it's first time it was like stop the bookstore, get books and read up about what she's going to have to go through and what I may experience. Now it's the internet, you know, you can find about everything on there, but I finally just got to the point, don't let me worry it, don't let me diagnose it, don't let the doctors take care of her. And I found that's easier on me, but it is a journey for both of us. And it's you know, you have your quiet moments away from each other, and a lot goes through your head, but it's a journey that everybody should take. If you've got the chance for great treatment, great doctors, use it. Don't think you can do it on your own. Depend on your doctors, depend on the caseworkers. They'll help you through the tough times and guide you and get you through it.
I guess I would tell people a couple of things. Number one is, in this area, the first diagnosis, the doctor told us this, and it calmed us down, looked at us and said, we have as good, if not the best, technology and care that you will find in Northeast Ohio or the world right here in Canton, Ohio. So that's the first thing I would tell people. The second thing I would say is look for the blessings, look for the positive energy in your life. Let people help you. There's a need for people that want to help. I would let my mom bring over soap, even though I could do it myself, or I would let people drive me somewhere, even if I could do it myself. So that was my gift to them in this journey, because they have a need to help. And the third thing I would tell them is people are kind and generous when you give them an opportunity. Let them know it's okay to talk about it. It's the more you talk about it, the more you're able to face it. You know, you're going to get over it. I always just kind of rolled with the punches, I guess, right? I couldn't dwell on the negative. Just, all right, what's the next treatment? All right, you know, I'm behind on whatever, my white blood cells. What's next, right?
Yep.
So I just kept a positive attitude, and I think that helped in the healing.
Oh, I'm sure it did.
And moving forward, right? So.
Yep.
So, and if you get down, there's all kinds of resources through the hospital, through their support systems, and use them. Use those resources. And if it's outside of your family, fine. If it's, you know, maybe your family needs some help too.
Yeah.
Like Keith said, they'll help you navigate through this journey.